today to meet on Down Square. I don't know how often you are out there. Are you out there every day? Every Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. So you know, we will tweet out the photo we took of you yesterday, and I don't know if you sent out the photo of the two of us there yesterday.
Come to the next question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mana 3 yil, 2 yil o'tgan ikkinchi oshida Amsterdam kishini namoyish qilayotgan nurg'un chetlarlikda bilan har yerga kelgan tajovuzchilar besilgan bilmaydi ekanda. Men shular bilan namoyish qilayotgan nurg'un chetlardagi do'stlarim bishini kelgan bu zulm deydi. Xitoyning ish huquqining nacharligi emas, lekin Xitoyniki Uyg'urlar mustamlika qilib kelgan. Sizlar mustamlikadan qutulmay turib bu xalqdan qutulolmaysizlar.
I've been protesting in the Dam Square for more than 2 years and a half, and actually before this, many foreigners do not know about who the Uyghurs are and where do they live. But as time passed by, more and more people are knowing about Uyghurs. But many of them saying that the reason of the suffering of the Uyghurs is not the root cause is not human rights. Actually, it's the colonization of the Chinese nation to the Uyghur people.
Bularınki deydi hem de hazır komünistlik hem ağdırılıp gitti. Sevdik bakımı Yugoslaviya hem şu buların müstakillik gelişti. Xitayların hazır partiyası aldı bu da hazır dünyanın siyaseti kıyas kılıvattı. Xitaylar karşılaşsa Uygurlardan müstakillikle kutulup erkin yer yaşayışka imkaniyetler var mı? De bundan nurg'un sori'di. Men bir siyasetçi emas bilmayman. Dünyanın siyasetini bilgan Amerika. Muş fırsatda Uygurlarning müstakillik buluş nisb bulamdı.
As we may know, just like the former Soviet Union and the Yugoslavia, and the collapse of these communistic powers, the nations colonized by these powers get their independence. And do you think there is any possibility that the communist China is going to collapse within a new future, and the Uyghurs and Tibets and many other nations in currently under the Chinese rule going to regain their independence in the future? What is your thought on this regard?
That will take a long time. Okay. What is that? Well, yeah, I would love to give you a positive answer on that, but
Gerçi ben sizlerge naytı icabi yani naytı pozitif bir cevap verişini kalayım bu noktada. Ama bunun gıcık vakit geçiş mümkün. Yani bunun kabrini bilmek tez.
Mesela sevgisi bakım bir kız parçalayıp 15 müstakil namaz
Yeah.
Ben cevap vereyim sormanız kalmayız. Aldıda İngilizce
Özümüzün arasındaki sual cevabını özümüz kılıp alaylı. Özümüz kılıp alaylı. Ma vaktini çıkarak adem verir.
Independence is something which we shouldn't be thinking about at the moment if we want support from countries, because there are a lot of countries, there are a lot of people in different countries seeking for independence. And now I think our first goal should be our legitimate right, which we should be able to contact with our families, which are the people who are suffering in the camps, who are being raped, tortured, killed. They get their freedom, get them out of the camps first, prison first. I think the independence may be maybe for later, I think.
Hazırda şu özümüzdeki kanunda belgilengen kişilik hukuklarımız qarab, mesela bu yerda uyda batqanlar va basqınç uçurayotgan, işkence qilayotgan, şoňa o hukuklarımızga hazırda qarab hamda bu mustaqillik meselesini menimcha keyincha tartışqanlar yaxshi deb o'ylayman albatta.
You would make a very good ambassador. Yeah, you are very smart, and yes, we should separate the two. The focus right now, I would agree, is on human rights.
Thank you very much.
There are way too many places around the world where people are advocating for separation, but that gets to be a much more complicated and difficult issue. But the issue of human rights is one that will bring more people together.
Başarıcımı şu hazır takımacak özümüzdeki hak hukukları müstakillik emas. Özümüzdeki hazır kanun belgilengen hak hukuklarımız dep sanıladı.